Hey everybody, this is dose 30, day 15. I've been working my butt off today, so I got a lot done though, and it's time to go to work. So I got another 30 minutes or so to get ready for work. So anyway, I'm going to take dose 30, and then in the morning when I get home, dose 31. I already mixed it today, you know. And I'll weigh myself after I wake up, and that's about it. I know 212.8 today, so I'm assuming that if I'd have slept another couple hours, probably would have been right at the low 212. So I'm hoping to get to 210. 209 by the weekend. We'll see, but I'm going to get together all the food that I've been eating and kind of just take a video of that. I didn't do it today. I was going to do it today, but I had too much other stuff to do. So I will. I'm going to do that and show you exactly what I've been eating every day, and you obviously know the diet's working because I'm weighing myself, and you can see that that I'm getting smaller. Still need to get rid of some of this. I think I was the first time I did the diet, I went to the gym, got on the treadmill, and burnt some calories every day. Maybe I think for an hour I'd get on the treadmill, and I wasn't killing myself. I wasn't trying to build muscle or nothing. Just burning off a few extra calories. And on that time I did the diet, I was losing either 1 or 2 pounds a day, usually closer to 2 pounds. But I'll share some of those pictures in my toward the end of this journey here. But anyway, I'm still taking 1 pound a day. I mean, in 30 days, that's 30 pounds. You can't beat it. So anyway, I will. I'm gonna take my medicine, and then I will be back in the morning after work and take the other dose. So I'm using my other syringe with the 50 cc's on, or the 5 milliliters exactly. So may have took a little too much there the first few times when my syringe didn't have a measurement on it, but this is exactly 5 milliliters, so it's exactly right. So anyway, with that, I will see you all in the morning.